Hi, my name is Lynn Barker. I am the general manager at the Statesville location of America's Home Place. We are located in Statesville, North Carolina, right where interstates I-77 and 40 meet, and we build in a 50-mile radius of Statesville. Here are some things that you might consider doing later, after the house is finished. We're happy to work with the customer to let them know, if you're going to do this, we need to go ahead and do that now, because it's going to be much easier, if not impossible later, to do what you're asking. If they really have their heart set on this one particular thing that's throwing them over budget, let's look for places in the house where we could reduce. Whereas there are a lot of other things that can be done later. Let's say you had a tile backsplash in your kitchen and it cost X amount of dollars. Well, that's something that we could take out of the contract and say, well, we just won't do that. We'll give you a credit back for that so you can get what you want. You can add a tile backsplash in 2 or 3 years or whenever you're ready for it. Even a fireplace can be added later. If you've got a fireplace in your plan, in your contract, and you're thinking, well, I've got something else that I really, really want, then you could take the fireplace out and add it at a later time. What we're able to do with the customer is, first of all, see, what do you want? What's your desire? And then we can say, well, if you want this in this room, it will cost this much. We can give the options to say, these are your prices, say, for your living room, to do it in 3 or 4 different flooring styles. It's really something that you can talk with your building consultant about. They are such experts in knowing the houses, what they come with, and what options are available. That's that conversation that we try to have with the homeowner all the way through. We're always asking that question, what are you looking for? What is the main thing with you and the house? You can go to americashomeplace.com for more information. You can also see our plans on the website, and be sure to like and subscribe.